Here is how to delete your Facebook page. First of all, you need to launch your web browser, go to facebook.com, log into your account. Then after, switch your main account to your page. Once you've done that, tap on your profile picture icon in the top right corner of your screen and then go to Settings and Privacy. From here, tap on Settings, and there you'll see the section of your information. Go ahead and tap on Access and Control, that is between Activity Log and Access Your Information. Once you have clicked on that, you'll get 3 different options of Deactivate Page, Unpublished Page, and Delete Page. Deactivate and Unpublished is temporary. The page will be disabled and your name and photos will be removed from most things that is shared, and you can reactivate your page anytime that you want. But in the case if you want to really delete your page, go ahead, select Delete Page, which is permanent, and you won't be able to retrieve the content or the information that you've shared on your Facebook as this page, and your Messenger and all of your messages will also be deleted. Then tap on Continue, which is highlighted in blue color. Then after, you need to enter the correct format your password of your Facebook account and verify that it's you, and then your page will be permanently deleted and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.